Hi lovelies, welcome back. Today we are going to make another winter special. It's oozy and it's very chocolatey. It's Italian hot chocolate. For Italian hot chocolate, we required few items: cocoa powder, corn flour, which is essential item, sugar, cream, and dark chocolate is also essential. I have bought this dark chocolate which is 85% dark from Daraz. And you can also use 75% of dark chocolate and you will get this brand chocolate in approximately 750 from Daraz. I am not using the whole chocolate. I am using its 6 block and I will leave 2 blocks for garnishing because it's already very bitter. 85% because it's 85% dark, so I am using 6 blocks of this dark chocolate. If you are using 75% dark chocolate, then you can use the whole chocolate or you can leave 1 block for garnishing. Now I am going to chop all these 6 blocks into fine pieces on my cutting board. Now I will take one big cup and now I am going to put 3 big tablespoons of cocoa powder. What I will do, I will mix all my dry ingredients in one cup. Now after adding cocoa powder, I am going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar. You cannot substitute it with other sugary items because in hot chocolates it will give the real flavor or real texture. Now I am going to use corn flour. The main purpose of corn flour is to increase the density or thickness of Italian hot chocolate, and I will use the equal proportion as I have used the cocoa powder. So I will put 3 big tablespoons of corn flour and mix all these dry items well with the help of spoon. Now I am going to put little bit of water into this dry item and then I will mix it with the help of spoon. I am doing this step before because I don't want to remove all these lumps in saucepan because it will become harder for me. Now I am going to put 1 liter of milk into the saucepan and wait until it gets simmer or boiled. And also I keep stirring it with the help of spatula. After getting boiled, I am going to put my cocoa powder mixture into this hot milk. Mixed it with the help of spatula. After stirring, I am going to put my remaining cocoa powder mixture into this hot milk and give it a stir. When it gets mixed well and boiled again, I am going to put my chopped dark chocolate into this boiling milk. Pop all the chopped chocolate into this milk. And the next step is again mixing. The dark chocolate is key item also because it will give it the more chocolatey and oozy texture. Now we are going to keep stirring it for at least 5 to 10 minutes because we will let the corn flour to increase its density or to make it thick because we want the very thick dark chocolatey hot chocolate. Now you can notice the change in density. It is quite thick now and this is the thickness which we want, so keep stirring it until you get this kind of thickness. Now our hot Italian chocolate is done. Remove it from stove and put it in any cup or in any glass in which you want to serve. Then after putting your hot chocolate, now I am going to garnish it with little bit of whipped cream, and you can also use melted marshmallow for this, and now garnish it with a little bit of chopped dark chocolate. Enjoy this Italian hot chocolate in this cold winter, but once a week because it's very high in calories. Hope you have enjoyed this Italian hot chocolate and you will also try this at home, and don't forget to give your feedback and don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this helpful.